So let's go and see my supplier back in Germany. Henning, guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
I can do this. This is cool. All right, can we do all this? I mean, we've got a few changes on the product. I mean, you guys can, Andy and yourself, how are you going to do this?
Yeah, well, thank you, Bruno, for giving me a chance to talk about, this guy challenged me a lot about pressuring the costs, keep the costs down, and then he comes with all this new stuff. And I need to make sure it works in my environment and I really can manufacture that. So let's take a look about how we do that. What we do here is we use Delmia's V6 lifelike mannequin really to understand how this affects my workers, the safety of my workers, and what I can do here is I can do a lot of procedural analysis and I can do posture analysis to understand if I can lift something, and I can catch ergonomic issues earlier, even earlier before they happen, And this helps me to make sure I'm working safe in a real environment, and that's what I do here. Another thing which we are doing is, if we talk about how we manufacture something, we are using the process planning tool. And we are, beside analyzing if we can reach something, we add a lot of resources into the system. And one of the cool things we do right now is we are using 3D visual aids to have real 3D work instructions, which are embedded into the system. So we are able to deliver that in time to the worker. If something changes, we can roll out the most recent information at the right time. This really eliminates a lot of training costs. People do it the first time right. I have a much better first time yield rate, the quality goes up, and finally I have a better throughput and the costs are down. Now, I added a lot of resources into the environment right now, into my factory. But one of the things is you change something to the mold design. So what I need to do here, I need to analyze and to understand how this affects my machinery and my tooling. It's not only about uploading the NC programs into my system and simulate how it works.